Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel, Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIY, and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. I do hope you are gaining benefit from it. If you've subscribed already, thank you so much. If you've not yet subscribed, do go ahead and hit the subscribe button, where I make videos on type 4 natural hair, but my natural hair care tips are generally useful for all hair types or most hair types, especially if your hair is naturally afro. My strapline is where we grow natural hair long, healthy, and strong. And in today's video, I talk about tips to help you to grow your natural hair stronger. So that the reason why I say stronger is because if your hair is fragile, if it's breaking, you're not going to be retaining length. So the aim here is to have strong enough hair to withstand styling and all the rest of the stuff that we need to do to it. Okay, so my very first tip is don't stress. If in order to have a stronger hair, you need to have the hair on your head. So don't stress, minimize the stress in your life, think positively, and your hair will grow. If you stress and all of that, your hair will fall out. So if you are mentally well, if you are less stressed, then your hair will grow strong. So the first thing to do is to look at the positive side of life, and your hair will grow, your stress level will go down, and it will cause your hair to grow. The second thing that's really strengthened my natural hair, because I used to have a lot of problems with breakage and because of stress, because of exams or whatever other life event that was going on at the time. And so I also experienced hair loss and hair thinning, and I researched henna. Now, not all hennas are equal. My henna is Napur henna. I've gone on about it quite a bit on this channel. You can go and check out my henna videos where I apply henna to my hair, and henna binds the protein in my hair, because our hair is made of protein, right? And so henna allows me to grow my hair stronger. There are many recipes out there. I would do, if it's just my very first application, I do a test to make sure that first of all you're not allergic to henna. Then I would actually go in with a light henna treatment, for example a henna rinse, a henna tea rinse, which is simply adding probably a tablespoon of henna into a cup and like a tea, and then obviously pouring that on your hair. And if that's okay, you can go in with a heavy henna treatment, which for me is an 8-hour treatment. I'll be doing a video soon on my 8-hour henna application, which has really transformed my natural hair. And I want to show you how, because it's such a simple, inexpensive product that can really turn your hair around. Now, there are others that I've recommended henna to, and it hasn't really agreed with their hair, so that's why I recommend doing a patch test. As you can see, my hair is really shiny, dark and strong, and I would say that the main reason for that is henna. Okay, so that's my second tip. The first one is just to minimize stress, and the second one is to have some henna treatment. And then that goes without saying, most Ayurveda add fenugreek to your hair as well. I use fenugreek as a leave-in, and so I boil my fenugreek with flaxseed. So I boil fenugreek and flaxseed together, and I make a spritz, a hair tea spritz for my hair, and that allows my hair to be stronger. Those Ayurveda treatments, I have gone on about it so much because they cannot go underestimated. Ayurveda is really great for your natural hair, so do go ahead and boil them up, and they're so simple. And as I said, I do have plenty of recipes here on my channel. Do check them out. We do want to have our hair stronger so that it can withstand styling. We want to blow it out sometimes, we want to straighten it sometimes. It's just going in all of the seasons, it's always out, right? So a way that we can actually keep it on our head and have length retention is by strengthening our hair. My next tip is to use cholesterol. Queen Helen's cholesterol has been around for everyone's childhood, right? And so it's an oldie but a goodie, and that's also a protein treatment. In fact, any protein treatment, you can do Apogee, but I tend to stick to the lower cost protein treatment. So a protein treatment like hair cholesterol has really helped my natural hair, and I use a protein treatment every wash day. I do have a really lazy natural hair routine, which I want to share on this channel, how I wash my hair in probably half an hour. If I just don't have the time and it needs doing, it involves me mixing my hair cholesterol with my Hello Hydration, and applying that and leaving it for 15 minutes and then rinsing it out. You can also add steam to that, or you can choose not to add steam, but certainly hair cholesterol has really strengthened my natural hair, allowing me to have length retention and to reach the goals that I've been really wanting to do on this channel. You know, I've been on a natural hair journey since 2009, and I've never had long hair before, where I'm researching hair on this channel, and I'm sharing what I can with you so that we can grow our natural hair together, and you know, we can all achieve that. Because if I myself am almost at waist length, then anyone can achieve this. If I just stretch this, you can just see how my hair is growing, and this is actually in it's actually in something else, so it's not actually the true length from the front. So we can achieve whatever length we want if we just stick to, you know, what works and trying some of these techniques. My next one is castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, but any castor oil. You can probably get castor oil for like, you know, £1.50 if you're in the UK, quite inexpensive. The clear castor oil is also fine. So castor oil strengthens your natural hair. I don't put castor oil on my scalp because I do have dandruff when I do that, but along the length of my hair, I do add castor oil. I've got a video on my channel talking about the different segments of my hair, so the inside, the scalp, the length of my hair, and the tips and what I do there. Hair coming out of our scalp is the most important thing, and in order to, you know, achieve good hair coming out of our scalp, we need to eat the right food. So you want to focus on what you're actually eating. You can eat for growing your hair sweet potatoes, leafy green vegetables like spinach, and I do have a very detailed video, it's about 20 minutes long, on types of food that benefit your natural hair. But certainly researching more of that, you're able to find a list of food, probably not in my video, and able to eat the right food to ensure that the hair coming out of your scalp is okay. Now I've got high porosity hair where the cuticles are lifted, and so because I know that I tend to use more protein in my hair care and eat more protein, because then I know that my hair strands will be bound together, because you know, protein really helps us high porosity naturals. So that's just some of the easy, simple tips that you can do to grow your natural hair stronger. And once your hair is stronger, it will retain length, and you'll be able to grow it to whatever length you want. So that is, first of all, minimize the stress in your life. Try to be stress free. You know, lots and lots of stuff is happening. It's not just about how we frame those things that's happening and how we look at life. You know, just try to just not look at life so down, and that will help our stress levels. The second thing is henna, and then it goes without saying, any Ayurveda products. So that's natural products, either seeds or leaves that within the Ayurveda range. Check out my Ayurveda playlist, which should be out by the time this video is out, explaining what Ayurveda is and how it benefits our natural hair. It's been used in Indian hair care for centuries. And the next thing is castor oil. So your oils can also help. Castor oil strengthens my hair. Castor oil along the edges of my hair where stress shows up has helped me to gain my hair stronger around that way. Also almond oil for your scalp, and coconut oil also. Lots of ladies I don't personally use coconut oil, but a lot of ladies have said that that's strengthened their hair. So I hope those tips have helped you today. And you're going to eat right. You're going to also eat right and make sure that your diet is at the right level, eating your green vegetables and your sweet potatoes. And my final tip is just scalp massage. I've got a video probably out by the time this is done of how I do my scalp massages. Just, you know, especially at the areas where you're going to get the stress showing up, just giving it a quick scalp massage while you watch your favorite TV program. And if you're eating the right things, then you're going to have good, strong, healthy, natural hair. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in my next video.